Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? I hope you're good. In today's recipe, we'll be making boiled yam with local Ugba sauce. You're going to love this one. We'll start by peeling the yam. We're going to peel off the back of the yam. And beside, I have a bowl of cold water. This water will help the yam not to go pale or to change color. We're going to slice it to the shapes you want. And as I'm slicing it, I'm placing it back into the water for it not to change color. And I'll bring this into my pot. And I'll add in water to be at the same level with the yam. I prefer it this way because to me the yam is sweeter when the water is at the same level. And I have onions here. We're going to slice these onions into little pieces. This sauce requires lots and lots of onions, and you're going to really enjoy it with lots of onions in it. And we'll set this aside. And here I have utazi leaves. You can ask in the market for this leaf. This leaf has a bittersweet taste and is very good for this our Ugba sauce. The utazi leaf is full of antioxidants, it's a healthy vegetable, and I think you should try it out and let me know if you enjoyed yours. We'll dice it as tiny as possible, and we're also going to set this aside. What we're basically doing is prepping all our ingredients so that when it comes to the cooking proper, we'll be mixing and mixing. And I have peppers here. We're going to blend this into rough textures. And our yam has come to a boil. Now I added in salt, and I'm going to give this a shake. When you add the salt from the beginning, the yam tends not to cook softer enough, and we'll cover it till it cooks tender enough. And I'll shift it to the other burner, and in a dry pan on heat I added in palm oil. We're not going to allow this palm oil to bleach. We'll just allow it to get hot enough, and we'll add in the onions, and we're going to fry this for about 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat till the onions is tender enough, and that way it will release lots and lots of sweetness into the oil. And we're checking on the yam with my fork. I glide through, and they are very soft now, so I'll drain out this water, and I'll still cover the lid to retain the moisture in the yam. And we are back now. I brought in the peppers. Always add as much peppers as you can bear. We're going to stir fry this for another 2 minutes. And I brought in ground crayfish. This is optional, but it's also very nice for this local recipe. What we are doing now is building lots of amazing local flavors for this our sauce. And I added in salt, and I also brought in seasoning cubes. We'll mix this together to combine properly. And here is our Ugba. This Ugba is very healthy. It's good for the heart, it's good for your system. You can research or Google the health benefits of Ugba so that you wouldn't take my word for it. It's very, very healthy. And we'll stir this in for another 2 minutes. And I have some fried fish. I also brought it in, and I brought in the utazi leaves. We are just mixing and mixing like I told you earlier, and the food is ready in no time. We are going to stir this just for everything to come together, and I'm going to check for my salt and seasoning. Like I always say, your seasoning and your salt should be proportional to the quantity of food you're cooking. If you're not sure, you add in little per time and adjust as you cook along. Mine came out perfect. Just give this a quick stir, and our sauce is ready. Let's go serve this meal. You can see the yam is still hot because I covered the lid and it retained the moisture. The yam is not going to be strong or cold. And here is our sauce. This meal is way healthy and way delicious. I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. You all make my day worthwhile. Thank you so much and God bless you. And if you've watched till now and you've not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please like and share my videos to get amazing content like this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And here is our plate of boiled yam with our local Ugba sauce. Trust me, this is never enough whenever I make it for my family. The hot yam melting into the palm oil with all the local ingredients inside. It's so delicious. It has this unique taste and aroma reminiscing our local Nigerian dishes and delicacies. I hope this video was helpful to you. You can drop me any suggestions or any observations and I'll be glad to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.